Here and welcome to my channel. So it's a great day for me. For what? I'm going to change my exhaust stock to Pazoma exhaust. I think it's a Chinese, but it's sound awesome, very good and loud too. It's not very expensive. I have paid near about $350 to $400. It's not like VNH and Akrapoving and all. So first time I'm going to try it. At first I have to assemble it, and thereafter I'll show you the sound. Okay, so let's see. So here is the video. ये तो लेट गार्ड का बॉक्स है, ये मैं अलग से लिया हूँ. इसको हटा दे दोनों का. एग्जॉस्ट का पार्ट सब निकाल लो. वेंट पाइप भी है. नजर एक बार हो जाओ, साइलेंसर भी स्टार्ट किया जाएगा. ये इधर रख दो. I don't know how this sounds. The final sound after fitting. Okay, let's start. There. मोबाइल भी हिल रहा है, बट सब ठीक है. बट ना पूरा मुंह पे एकदम आ रहा है, वो पूरा खाली है. Hope you all enjoy the video. In my opinion, it's a value for money. 7 out of 10, because it's very loud, badly loud. So next video will be on the heat issues of the Pan America, which I have solved. So wait for the next video. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care. Here's my babies. People are crazy about the GS BMW, but I'm crazy about Harleys. I used to ride Harleys. There's the first and there's the second.